Title: The Secret Wooden Box. Genre: DIY Woodworking Adventure. Scene 1. Opening hook. Close up. A mysterious old wooden box with intricate carvings. Narrator: This box holds a secret, and today we'll build it from scratch. Scene 2. Introduce the host. Host: You smiles at the camera. I found this 100-year-old box at a flea market. Let's recreate it. Scene 3. Tool setup. Montage. Host lays out tools. Saw, chisel, sandpaper. Text overlay. Tools you'll need. Scene 4. Wood selection. Host compares oak versus pine boards. Tip: hardwoods last longer. Scene 5. Cutting the pieces. Fast motion. Host measures and cuts wood with a saw. Sound effect: whoosh. Scene 6. Carving the design. Close up. Hands carve floral patterns with a chisel. Narrator: Patience is key. Scene 7. Sanding. Host smooths the wood. Always sand with the grain. Scene 8. Dry fit. Host assembles pieces without glue. Test before gluing. Scene 9. Gluing. Clamps hold the box together. Wait 24 hours. Scene 10. Secret compartment. Host reveals a hidden latch mechanism. The magic touch. Scene 11. Finishing. Host applies walnut oil. Brings out the grain. Scene 12. Final reveal. Side by side. Old box versus new box. Which is which? Scene 13. Hidden message. Host opens the compartment, a note inside. Subscribe for more secrets. Scene 14. Call to action. Host a camera. Like this? Try it. Links below. Scene 15. Outtake. Host accidentally glues fingers together. Oops, safety first. Scene 16. End screen. Montage of future projects. Next week. A wooden lock.